Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Starling Bank and FSCS protection. Starling Bank is a fully licensed UK bank, and as such, it is a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, or FSCS. This means that if Starling Bank were to fail, your eligible deposits would be protected. The FSCS protection limit is currently £85,000 per person, per bank. This limit applies to the total of any eligible deposits you have with Starling, including money in your main account and any spaces. For joint accounts, the protection limit is £170,000, as it applies to each account holder separately. The FSCS is a statutory deposit guarantee scheme, and its purpose is to protect customers' money in the event that a financial services firm fails. It provides an important layer of security and peace of mind for account holders. So, to answer the question, yes, Starling Bank is covered by the FSCS protection scheme. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.